Lateral meniscus zip lesions are lesions in between the posterior lateral meniscus and the meniscofemoral ligaments. These are underdiagnosed injuries and they need to be treated with high suspicion. In MRI, you will see a suspicious lesion in the posterior part of the lateral meniscus, and you will see it in more than 2 to 3 sections of the posterior horn. Here we can appreciate that the meniscus is separated from the posterior capsule and the meniscofemoral ligament, and these lesions can be repaired with all inside repair. Here we are using a fast fix flex curved suture passing device to repair the lateral meniscus into its place. So when we pass it, it will reduce the meniscus and we might use 1 or 2 sutures to fix it up.